That's what my 1990s 8mm tape case sounds like. That's what it sounds like. That's what my picky brain sounds like. It's a train go choo choo choo. That's what my leg sounds like. That's what zipper sounds like. That's what my Gran Turismo sounds like. That's what my Tupperware sounds like. That's what my Agnes sounds like.
But
that's my drill bit sound
if you
like.
put a magnet to your microphone, it's gonna take all the sound and it's gonna attract it.
Hold on, I'll probably drill bit so I show you what it sounds like.
Dude, I don't think you even heard it. Fuck it. Come on. Whatever.
I heard you right, it's okay.
Oh.
That's what my hard drive sounds like.
There you go.
That's my computer sounds like.
That was the best one yet.
That's my wallet sounds like.
I got a good
That's
one.
my key sounds like.
Let me put my microphone into styrofoam. That do anything for you?
What's that?
It's my microphone in styrofoam.
Okay. That's my remote sounds like.
I have styrofoam all over the place now.
That's my microphone sounds like I got styrofoam. That's my internet cable sounds like. That's my core sounds like. That's my government plus dollar sounds like. That's my pen sounds like. That's my 3D glass sounds like. That's my wire snip sounds like. That's my tablet sounds like. That's my notebook sounds like. That's my old computer speaker sounds like. And that's what everything I can have right now sounds like. The end. Goodbye.
If you put a magnet to your microphone, it's gonna take all the sound and it's gonna attract it.